To solve this equation, let's find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 2 and 4 will divide through by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Divide again by 2. We have 1 here. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore, the LCM of 2 and 4 is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Now, let's multiply both sides of the equation by 4 to eliminate the fraction. We have 4 times 3x minus 1 all over 2 minus 4 times 2x minus 3 all over 4 is equal to 4 times minus 1. Simplifying, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 times minus 1 will give us minus 4. We now have 2 times 3x minus 1 times 2x minus 3 to be equal to minus 4. Expanding the brackets, 2 times 3x will give us 6x, and 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. Minus 1 times 2x will give us minus 2x. Minus 1 times minus 3 will give us plus 3 to be equal to minus 4. Simplifying further, 6x minus 2x plus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. 6x minus 2x will give us 4x. 3 minus 2 will give us plus 1 equal to minus 4. Let's now subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. 4x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 4 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and minus 4 minus 1 will give us minus 5. Therefore, 4x is equal to minus 5. Let's also divide both sides of the equation by 4. 4x divided by 4 is equal to minus 5 divided by 4. Simplifying, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we are left with x to be equal to minus 5 over 4 in a simplified form is equal to minus 1 over 4, or minus 1 1/4.